Okay, now factors affecting polarization. I mean, what are the factors which can affect the polarization character? So there are a number of factors. So not only it depends on the size of cation, it depends another factor also. So I will give you the factors. So for example, factor number 1, it depends on size of cation. As you know, to undergo polarization, the size of the cation should be small, then it can attract the electrons of anion more. If the size of cation is large, then no polarization will take place. I mean, that will be 100% ionic. So to get the covalent character, the size of cation should be smaller one, so that the polarization takes place. So smaller the size of cation, greater is the polarizing power. Greater is the polarizing power. And if you want to know one example, for example, lithium chloride is more covalent than potassium chloride. So I have compared lithium chloride and potassium chloride. In lithium chloride, lithium is cation, chlorine is your anion, and in potassium chloride, potassium is cation, chlorine is anion. In this case, the size of cation and size of anion almost same, because you know atomic number of potassium is 19 and atomic number of chlorine is 17. So that is why their sizes you will get almost same. But in case of lithium chloride, chlorine atomic number is 17, lithium atomic number is only 3. That's why you will get the size difference. I mean, lithium size is very small. So that is why you may get some covalent character here, but you don't get covalent character here. So it depends on the size of the cation. As the size of the cation increases, there will be no covalent character. This is one factor. Second factor, it depends on size of anion also. How it depends? If your anion size is small, polarization will be less. To undergo polarization, anion size should be large. So larger the size of anion, greater is the polarizability. And for example, if you consider lithium chloride, they contain ionic bond, lithium bromide and lithium iodide, covalent character you will get more here than this. Here cation is very small, lithium, anion is very large, iodine. Here cation same lithium, but your anion size is small, chlorine is smaller in size. So that is why as the size of anion increases, fluoride size less than chloride size less than bromide size less than iodide size, and that is why as the size of anion going on increasing, covalent character also going on increasing. So this is another factor. Number 3, it depends on charge of cation also. Charge of cation means there are some cation which contain 1 plus charge, there are some cation which contain 2 plus charge, there are some cation which contain 3 plus charge. For example, sodium contain 1 plus, magnesium contain 2 plus charge, aluminium contain 3 plus charge. So as the positive charge of the cation increases, due to presence of more positive charge, it can attract more, and that is why polarization will be more. So that is why as the charge of cation increases, as the charge of cation increases, the polarization also increases. For example, if you consider sodium chloride with magnesium chloride, and if you want to compare with aluminum chloride, so three compounds I have taken: sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride. In sodium chloride, you know sodium contains +1 charge, chlorine is minus. Magnesium contains 2 plus charge, chlorine minus. Here 2 chlorine, that's why 2 minus. But for 1 chlorine, always you will get 1 minus. Aluminum contains 3 plus charge, chlorine minus. Now here, the aluminum charge is more. So when the cation contains more number of positive charge, so it can polarize the anion more. I mean, as the positive charge increases, the attraction towards the electrons also going on increasing. So that is why polarization going on increasing, and that is why covalent character also going on increasing. So if you want to compare these three, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and your aluminum chloride is more covalent than magnesium chloride than sodium chloride. Now, so this is about the Fajans rule. Fajans explain like this way: who will be more covalent and who will be less covalent. Now, what type of question will ask from this concept? The question will ask like this: the boiling point of aluminum chloride is found to be less. Why? Why the boiling point of aluminum chloride is less? If the question asks like this, then you have to apply this concept. If the question asks lithium iodide have low boiling point than lithium chloride, why? Actually, boiling point, it depends on mass. Lithium iodide, it has more molecular mass because iodine mass is more. Lithium chloride less mass, but boiling point depends on mass. If the mass of the compound increases, boiling point also increases. So according to that, lithium iodide should have more boiling point than lithium chloride. But it is found that lithium chloride more boiling point than lithium iodide. So if you want to explain that, then you have to consider this covalent character. Since lithium iodide have some covalent character due to large size of anion, so due to its covalent character, its boiling point going on decreasing. But in case of lithium chloride, covalent character is less, so it shows maximum ionic character, and that is why its boiling point will be high. So this type of question asks, again the question may ask, lithium chloride is soluble in water, but lithium iodide is insoluble. Why? So then also you have to explain by considering this covalent character effect. So number of questions may ask from this concept, from this Fajans rule. Why this one have lower boiling point that why this one are soluble in water but this one is insoluble. So this type of question may ask, and then you apply these factors. I mean, you try to apply the Fajans rule. So this is one of the topic from which you may get some reasoning questions like that. So that is why you should write the proper answer. If you cannot write the proper answer, then especially in reasoning question, if you do not apply the proper reason, then you will not be able to get the marks. So that is why you should know about this concept. Thank you.